Hey, Homespot fam! Spring is here, and today we're transforming your backyard into a stunning oasis without breaking the bank. Whether you're a DIY newbie or a seasoned pro, these 27 affordable hacks will inspire your perfect outdoor makeover. Grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into ideas you won't want to miss. Transform free wooden pallets into rustic seating or planter boxes with basic tools. Sand surfaces, add weather-resistant cushions, and arrange with climbing plants for a cozy, spring-ready corner. Perfect for budget-conscious DIYers seeking charm without high costs. Stack painted cinder blocks vertically to craft a sleek herb garden. Fill cavities with basil, thyme, and mint. Ideal for small spaces, this modern design adds texture and fresh flavors to spring meals. Drape solar-powered string lights between poles or trees above patios. Creates instant ambience for evening gatherings. No wiring required. Affordable magic for starlit spring nights. Mount old rain gutters on fences for shallow-rooted plants. Perfect for strawberries or succulents. This space-saving hack turns unused vertical areas into thriving green zones. Personalize smooth rocks with plant names or patterns using acrylics. Functional garden art that guides guests through your spring blooms. Kid-friendly weekend project. Repurpose an old ladder as a tiered plant stand. Showcase ferns, flowers, or tools on its rungs. Shabby chic charm meets practical storage. Convert a metal bowl into a fire pit with lava rocks. Surround with log stools for marshmallow roasting nights. Cozy upgrade under $30. Fold newspaper into biodegradable pots for seedlings. Eco-conscious and economical, these nurture young plants until they're ready for garden beds. Cluster hanging baskets of ivy and blooms at varying heights. Creates a lush overhead garden effect, ideal for patios with limited floor space. Sand fallen logs into rustic tables. Pair with outdoor seating for organic texture. Embrace nature's imperfections. Zero-cost furniture with character. Paint recycled cans, drill drainage holes, and hang for a quirky vertical herb garden. Compact, portable, and perfect for urban balconies. Embed broken tiles or glass into concrete to craft vibrant path markers. Customizable art that withstands spring showers. Arrange painted pallet slats in geometric patterns to mimic outdoor rugs. Durable, washable, and adds playful structure to patios. Stack pots with a hidden water pump for a bubbling fountain. Serene focal point that attracts birds and soothes senses. Weave fallen branches into a natural trellis. Supports climbing beans or roses, a sustainable alternative to plastic or metal. Attach succulents to a moss-filled wire wreath frame. Drought-resistant decor that thrives outdoors. Hang on gates or walls for living art. Upgrade plastic bins into self-watering planters. Add veggies or flowers, ideal for beginners wanting low-maintenance greenery. Scatter wildflower seeds and stack bamboo tubes as insect shelters. Boosts biodiversity while creating a carefree meadow vibe. String a hammock between trees or posts. Accent with potted ferns for a tranquil reading nook. Ultimate relaxation under $50. Nail pallets into a 3-bin system for composting. Turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil. Eco-warrior gardening made simple. Line walkways with solar stake lights. Automatically illuminates paths at dusk, safe, energy-free, and enchanting for spring evenings. Convert a galvanized tank into a water garden. Add aquatic plants and floating candles for a serene, self-contained ecosystem. Paint wooden stakes with chalkboard paint. Write herb names in chalk for adaptable, rustic signage that evolves with your garden. Mount vintage drawers on legs as elevated planters. Fill with trailing blooms for shabby chic flair. Salvage to stylish in one afternoon. Clip mason jars of fresh-cut flowers to a taut clothesline. Rotate blooms weekly for an ever-changing fragrant garland. Glue teacups to saucers and fill with birdseed. Quirky feeding station that delights both birds and garden visitors. And there you have it, 27 budget-friendly ways to turn your backyard into a spring paradise. Remember, creativity beats cost every time. Repurpose, reuse, and let nature do the heavy lifting. Love these ideas? Smash that like button, subscribe for more Homespot magic, and tell me in the comments, which project are you trying first? Don't forget to share your before and after pics. We might feature you in our next video.